guys, so in this video I will be showing you how I made my Ikea hacks for the shelves from the Ikea website. I know on their website the shelves are about $60 each, and then after the shipping and handling it usually ends up being around, like, I wanted to say $160. But the total that I spent for these shelves were about $60 for each of them. They were only $20 each for the wood pieces, and then I had them cut another one into 7s. So on Ikea.com, the latch shelf is about $60 each. After the delivery cost, though, they end up being $170. So I went to Lowe's, bought the strongest wood glue. I also bought wood that was 2 inches thick and 8 feet long. I did go to Lowe's and I went to the wood cutting station and I basically went on Ikea's website. I took the measurements for the shelf off the website and I just basically gave them to the workers at Lowe's and they just cut them perfectly. And this right here is when I realized I made an epic mistake and I knocked over one of the boards with my leg and it sent all of them crashing down. So as you can imagine, that was not fun for me. Okay, so now after I put weight on the boards, I left them kind of overnight. The glue said only for about 30 minutes, but I just left them overnight. And then I spray painted them. One thing I will say, I would sand down the wood first, unless you want it to just look like painted wood. But this is kind of how mine's turned out because I forgot to buy sanding paper. Okay, so one more disclaimer, I would definitely say mount these to the wall with either nails or Velcro just because they're pretty heavy because of the wood and you wouldn't want them to like fall on anyone. So this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!